Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here. Today we're diving deep into a topic that's close to my heart, your kidneys. These incredible organs work tirelessly to filter your blood and keep you healthy. In this video, I'm breaking down 10 common habits that could be putting your kidneys at risk. Let's talk about pain relief. Overusing over-the-counter painkillers, especially NSAIDs, can damage your kidneys. NSAIDs constrict blood vessels, reducing blood flow to your kidneys. Moderation and awareness are key. If you're experiencing frequent pain, don't just mask it with pills. Talk to your doctor about finding the root cause and exploring alternative pain management options. You've probably heard it a million times. Drink more water. When it comes to your kidneys, water is non-negotiable. Your kidneys are like intricate filtration systems, constantly working to remove waste products from your blood. Chronic dehydration can lead to a buildup of minerals and waste products in your kidneys, increasing the risk of kidney stones and urinary tract infections. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day, more if you're active or live in a hot climate. Carry a reusable water bottle with you and set reminders on your phone. Let's talk about everyone's favorite flavor enhancer, salt. A diet high in sodium can wreak havoc on your blood pressure, and your kidneys take a direct hit. High blood pressure forces your kidneys to work harder, putting extra strain on these vital organs. Be mindful of hidden sodium in processed foods, restaurant meals, and condiments. Opt for fresh, whole foods whenever possible. Protein is essential, but moderation is key. Excessively high protein diets can put a strain on your kidneys. Your kidneys filter out urea, a waste product of protein metabolism. Overloading your system with protein forces your kidneys to work overtime, leading to potential damage. Find a balance and consume protein in moderation, in line with your individual needs. We all know smoking is bad for our health, but did you know it's also damaging to your kidneys? Smoking damages blood vessels, reducing blood flow to your kidneys. If you're a smoker, quitting is one of the best things you can do for your overall health, including your kidneys. High blood pressure is a silent killer and a major risk factor for kidney disease. Over time, this constant strain damages the delicate filtering units in your kidneys. Managing your blood pressure through lifestyle modifications and medication if needed is crucial for protecting your kidneys. A glass of wine with dinner or a beer with friends is common, but moderation is key. Excessive alcohol intake puts a strain on your kidneys. Over time, excessive alcohol consumption can lead to kidney damage. Stick to the recommended guidelines, up to 1 drink per day for women and up to 2 drinks per day for men. Urinary tract infections, or UTIs, are common, especially among women. Ignoring them can have serious consequences for your kidneys. If left untreated, a UTI can spread to the kidneys, causing a more serious infection called pyelonephritis. Pay attention to your body and don't ignore the signs of a UTI. See your doctor promptly for diagnosis and treatment. A diet overloaded with sugar isn't just bad for your waistline, it can also damage your kidneys. Consuming too much sugar can lead to weight gain, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease, all of which are major risk factors for kidney disease. Be mindful of your sugar intake and limit sugary drinks, processed foods, and desserts. Opt for whole unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains whenever possible. Obesity is linked to a myriad of health problems, including kidney disease. Carrying excess weight puts extra stress on your kidneys, forcing them to work harder. Maintaining a healthy weight through a balanced diet and regular exercise is crucial for protecting your kidneys. So there you have it, 10 everyday habits that could be silently damaging your kidneys. By making simple lifestyle changes, you can significantly reduce your risk and support your kidney health. Stay hydrated, eat a balanced diet, manage your blood pressure, and don't ignore any warning signs. Until next time, stay healthy, stay informed, and take good care of those incredible kidneys.